Recently Apple has releases iOS 17.3 iPhone update with must-have new feature. In this video I'm going to show you how to update to the latest iOS 17.3 software update on your iPhone. Before we begin, make sure your iPhone is compatible with iOS 17.3. You can find the list of supported devices on Apple's official website. If your device is on the list, you're good to go. Before starting any system software update, you should always back up iPhone or iPad to iCloud. Beyond that, installing updates is easy. First step, open the Settings app on the iPhone or iPad. Then, go to General option right here. After that, select Software Update option. On this page you're going to see the iOS 17.3 software update in here ready to be downloaded. Now choose to download and install right below here. Tap on Agree. Then you should tap on Update Now for iOS 17.3 or iPadOS 17.3 software update. The iPhone or iPad will install the update and restart to complete installation. Now, let's go back to Settings, then, go to General option right here. After that, select About. On the iOS version section, you can see the latest iOS 17.3. Other than that, go to Software Update. As you can see, the iOS is already up to date to iOS 17.3. There you go. You've successfully updated your iPhone to iOS 17.3 changed. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in